Let's talk about the 5 things you should do if you have $1,000. Number 5, pay off unsecured debts. Unsecured debts such as student loans, credit card balances, and personal loans typically have higher interest rates than secured debts like mortgage loans and automobile loans, since they are secured by collateral. One of the first things you should do if you have extra money lying around is pay off your credit card debt. Credit card debt is a serious issue since the average credit card rate in the US is over 17%. Number 4, make an emergency fund. Everyone should have an emergency fund. The recommended amount varies considerably, but no one is immune to surprise charges. Thus, everyone should plan ahead for unexpected bills. According to conventional thinking, an emergency fund should contain 1 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. The more irregular your revenue or costs are, the more money you should have in your emergency fund. A high-yield savings account is a good place to start. Banks currently pay between 1.5% and 2.5% interest in today's accounts, which may at the very least keep pace with inflation. Number 3, start an IRA. Everyone needs to think about saving for retirement. The day will come when you no longer want to work or are unable to. Given the rise in older employees being forced out of their jobs, we all have less control over when we retire than we think. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, are a simple method to invest for retirement. These accounts come with significant tax advantages to sweeten the pot. Number 2, save for a down payment on a house. Home ownership is not for everyone. Some people dislike the hassles of maintenance and repairs, or they move too often and need flexibility. But others dream of owning a home that they can fix up like they want. If that's you, now is the time to start planning on ways to come up with a down payment. If you have a Roth IRA or other retirement accounts, you have ways to tap into them for a down payment. High-yield savings accounts are a fantastic location to put money away for your down payment, much like Roth IRAs. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, begin building passive income. Passive income works by having an investment that pays you money month after month and year after year. With enough passive income, your day job is no longer a necessity. The answer to financial independence is to create enough passive sources of income that you can rely on them alone to pay your expenses. If you have enough passive income, you'll be less reliant on your job and you'll get closer to retiring early if that's what you want. Thousands of dollars are required for income-generating investments like rental properties, but there's others you can invest in for less than $1,000 and begin earning money right now. Use your money to invest in your own small online business idea. You might be surprised at how far $1,000 can get you. Don't work for your money. Have your money work for you. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.